Hello everyone. We are sharing this video of the accident that happened while fixing the alignment of the belt conveyor for your learning. We get to learn something from every accident, which will help us to be aware and avoid the accident from happening next time. Now let us look at the accident that happened. The accident happened on the 27th of May 2023 around 3 p.m. On May 2nd, 2023, the service engineer of the OEM came to the site to rectify the rice husk system. On May 11th, 2023, he worked with the OEM team of mechanical workers for the alignment of belt conveyor number 5 by removing the tail end pulley guard without PTW and LOTO. Considering the need for frequent cleaning, it was preferred to remove the tail pulley guard permanently so that during overload trips of the belt by husk accumulation at the tail pulley, the pulley area can be cleaned and the belt can be restarted in a comparatively short duration. On May 27, 2023, in B shift at 2:01 p.m., BC5 motor got tripped on overload, and the control room DCS engineer informed the shift electrician to check. The electrician reset the overload relay and gave clearance to the DCS operator for the healthiness of the BC number 5 motor. The DCS operator took clearance from the CHP operator and started the belt conveyor at 2:04 p.m. The same thing happened 2 more times, and again for the 4th time at 2:57 p.m. BC5 got tripped and electrical reset was done. At that time, the CHP operator and helper checked the BC5 tail end, and then the CHP operator went to the head end side to check if any blockage was there. Around 3:01 p.m., the CHP operator gave the clearance to the DSC engineer from the BC5 head end to start the BC5 through a walkie-talkie. During lunch, the victim heard about the BC5 tripping on the walkie-talkie, and he went himself without instructing anybody to the BC5 tail end side. BC5 was in running condition then, and the victim started removing the accumulated husk from the tail pulley area on the right side with the help of a thin cardboard-like A4 size plank to avoid the plant going under further stoppage. At the same time, 2 helpers saw the victim doing cleaning activities in running condition. They objected to not doing the work in running condition, but the victim ignored them and moved to the left side of the tail end pulley to carry out the same work. Both helpers were about to leave the place when suddenly they heard some unusual noise, a safety helmet hitting sound, from the BC5 tail end area. Immediately, one of the helpers rushed to the staircase of the BC5 conveyor and pulled the pull cord, and the belt stopped. Another helper was shocked after seeing the incident. The victim came with a cut injury on his right hand near the bicep from the left side of the tail end pulley, asked for drinking water, and sat down on the floor. The helper informed nearby people, and the CHP operator informed the control room, and he was shifted to a nearby hospital by ambulance. Let's see the root causes of this incident. At-risk behavior of the site leadership team was observed. PTW and LOTO system was not followed for repair work. The stop work authority and escalation matrix were not followed by the site leadership team. Violation of the life-saving rule was observed. Now let's understand the learning from this accident. No cleaning activity is to be undertaken in the running belt conveyor system. PTW and LOTO system should be followed. The pull cord should be extended up to till the end drum. Emergency stop to be provided at the other side of the tail end drum. Overfeeding of fuel should be avoided to control spillage. As an additional measure, the belt conveyor system hooter should always be in auto mode. So, this is all about this accident. We hope you will use the learnings from this accident to stay safe at work. Thank you for viewing this video. Be safe today and every day.